Yeah, hello guys. This is Trade with me. Welcome back. All our returning subscribers, welcome back. And if you're new to this channel, you do a lot of good if you subscribe to this channel. So now quickly I want to bring to us I was able to catch this move of BTC USD on a Sunday morning. So how did I catch this move? As you can see, we are reacting from this fair value gap. As you can see, this is a daily chart, and we are reacting from this daily fair value gap. You see this long red candle coming into the fair value gap and a swift reaction from there. So I'm using the Bitcoin Coinbase chart. If you go to other chart like the Binance chart, you will see that actually this low, this red candle low, as you can see, I'll take my cursor here, this low was taken. Okay, it was taken. When I look at other charts, it was taken, and of course we have a bullish candle on the daily. So this was the bullish candle. I'll draw it so that you know the range I'm talking about. So this was the bullish candle range. So I'll take this off. So as I saw this, I went straight to the 4 hour to see if I will see a CRT on the 4 hour. Okay. As you can see, sorry, to see a break of structure rather, not a CRT, break of structure, because before the bullishness will be confirmed, we have to confirm with a break of structure. So as you can see, there is a 4 hour break of structure here, and I had to wait for a retracement. As you can see, on this 4 hour structure, you can see a little fair value gap, and that's where the retracement came into. It came into this little fair value gap. Okay, and a CRT happened within this little fair value gap, which is this CRT, as you can see marked here, this CRT marked here. So when I saw this CRT on the 4 hour, I went straight down to the 15 minutes time frame. Okay, you can use either the 15 minutes or the 5 minutes. So usually I check the 15 minutes first. Okay, if the structure does not align well with me, I go to the 5 minutes. So you see, in the 15 minutes, we observe this break of structure. So I will draw that so that you see. So I'm showing you how I was able to take this trade, right? We have a break of structure in the 15 minutes, and there was a fair value gap, yes, which was engulfed here. That's why you see my line was placed there. There was a little fair value gap here in the 15 minutes and an order block. There was a little fair value gap and an order block is sitting right there. So what I did was to place my entry on the starting point of the order block. As you can see, that's where I placed my entry. As you can see, this entry, that's where I placed the entry on the starting of this fair value gap. And like I told you, I observed a CRT. Sorry about that. I observed a CRT. If you go down to the daily, I said if you go to the Binance chart, you will see a CRT. So I observed a CRT. This low was taken, and my target became this high. The high of this range, the candle range high, that is my target. But also looking at this, I'm seeing a key level. Okay, I'll draw the key level here on the daily. This is a key daily A-shaped key level on the daily. So in fact I took this trade. I've closed this trade actually, but my target originally was this high. So as I saw this key level, I had to close my trade within this key level, because every daily key levels that appears in the daily and in the weekly are serious key levels, and you don't have to joke with them. So that's why the trade may eventually reverse from there, or we may take this high as it is. As you can see, the trade is still running. This trade is still running. If we have an opportunity to continue this trade, if I see another CRT maybe on the 4 hour, if there's a retracement, I will continue this trade and ride it to the top here. So but for now, I've closed the trade. So we'll go back to the 15 minutes chart. So on the 15 minutes during the London session this morning, the trade came back to the entry and it was up. We kept on riding up till we got to that daily key level, like I said. And this daily key level is about 5R. As you can see, 5.7R, and the top of the trade. Sorry, I think there was a mistake there. This is 5. This was supposed to be 5R, and the top of the trade is about 7R, thereabout. Sorry, the entry shifted. Sorry. So if I bring this back, this was my this trade was about 7R, 7R thereabouts. I think my stop loss was at this invalidation. Okay, so that's how I was able to get this trade. So thank you very much. If you found any value in this video, I will really appreciate it if you subscribe to this channel, turn on post notifications so that you'll be the first to know when I drop a new video. So thank you very much for your time. See you in the next video.